More than 100 people, including KSU members, family members and villagers, gathered at Sohra police station to demand the immediate release of two of its members who were arrested by the police in connection with the killing of the two people at Ichamati under Shala constituency recently. The two members are from KSU's South Khasi Hills district unit. The KSU members and villagers had wanted to march inside the premises of the police station but were prevented by the police. A huge deployment of police personnel was witnessed at Sohra police station today. After a long argument, the magistrates and subdivisional police officer SDPO finally allowed 10 people to enter the police station, including representatives from the KSU and family members. The family members and KSU members shouted to express their unhappiness at the justification given by the police why the two were arrested.